In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews from multiple platforms on your Shopify website. Since Shopify doesn't offer this feature directly on Shopify, we're going to use an external widget, but don't worry, it's completely free of charge and it doesn't require any credit card information either. The first step is to go to Elf's site. I've added a link for this website down below that will take you straight to this page, so go ahead and click there. From here, you'll go up to widgets and hover over it, and then under reviews, you can see we have the all-in-one reviews. Go ahead and click on that option. Next, you need to click on the big pink button that says Create Widget for free. That's going to take you down to the template builder where you can start designing your widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for on the left-hand side. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design and the layout and colors and more later if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick one that's closest to what you're looking for now. For this example, I'm just going to stick with the carousel widget, but you can just scroll down and see all the different options. And now go ahead and click on Continue with this template. And now, because this is an all-in-one review builder, you can see all of these different platforms you have to choose from. As you can see, I've already chosen some platforms to pull reviews from. I'm going to go ahead with Dakota Hotel here, and I'm going to pull it from Google Maps and from TripAdvisor. But you can, of course, do as many as you'd like. So to do Google Maps, go ahead and select the Google option right here. From here, you can either enter the name. So if you know the name, go ahead and type it in. For example, Dakota Hotel Manchester, like this, and click on search, like that. But if you don't know the exact name or similar, you can also just go to Google Maps and then click on share and click on copy link right here. Go back to Elf site and then insert the link and click search. And this pulls up the exact same hotel. So go ahead and click that and then click on done. And now to add the TripAdvisor reviews as well, you need to go ahead and click on add source right here. And now we need to choose TripAdvisor. As you can see, we need to use the actual URL right here. So go back to TripAdvisor and then click on the share button here and click on copy link. And then go ahead and insert the link and then just click done. And now you just need to let it load. And once all of the sources have loaded in, it should look something like this. So as you can see, we can go on an all reviews tab and we can also go on Google and TripAdvisor if you want to see individual reviews. And just as a quick example, because we've selected all reviews, that means that both Google and TripAdvisor reviews should be down here. So if I just go ahead and click to the side, there should be some Google reviews eventually. Let's see. Oh yeah, and there you go. Now we have Google reviews and TripAdvisor reviews mixed together here. Another thing I want to show you on the sources page is that you can go ahead and click on filters. This allows you to set a minimum rating. For example, if you only want to show 5-star reviews here, you can go ahead and select 5 stars. But if you want to have more transparent rating, you could also choose any rating, for example. Then you're also going to get 2-star, 3-star, 4-star reviews. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at 5 stars, but you can do whatever you want to do. You can also go down here and exclude certain reviews by adding a keyword. So if people mention a specific thing that you don't want showing, let's say that your hotel and, I don't know, you have a bad breakfast, you can type breakfast and then no reviews with the word breakfast in the review is going to be shown. Now, if you want to change the layout of your widget, you can go ahead and click on layout on the left-hand side. Here you can choose from a couple of different options here. So you could choose something like a grid as well if you'd like, or you could choose something like a badge or a floating badge that's going to be down at the bottom of your website. So if I, for example, chose this option here, then people can go ahead and click on it right here to see all of the reviews. For this video, I'm just going to stick with the classic carousel option. If you want to change this part of your widget, go ahead and click on header. You can even hide the entire header by toggling this off, but I think it's pretty good, especially because it can prompt people to write a review for your business. You can also choose what elements should be shown, for example, heading, rating, number of reviews, write a review button. And then we also have the small tabs right here. You can toggle it off if you want to show all of the reviews and not give people an option to switch between the different platforms, or you can go ahead and turn off these elements again, like this. If you want to change the actual look of the reviews themselves, go ahead and click on review. Here you have review style and review source style. For review style, you can go ahead and click on the arrows again, and you have a couple of different options to choose from. And the same goes for the review source style, as you can see here. If you want to change something like the colors of the widget, go ahead and click on style. From here you can choose between color schemes like light and dark. You can even choose a different accent color if you'd like, a different font and much more. I'm not going to cover every single option here just because I want this to be a relatively quick tutorial, but this gives you loads of customization options. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the light theme. Lastly, you also have the settings option over here. This allows you to change things like the language. You can also auto-translate reviews if people have left a review in their own language. And then you can also go over a couple of not so important things down here, like the rating format if you want 2 decimals. And once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll either sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to change anything else, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan right here by clicking the gray select button. And once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to Shopify. Adding the widget to your Shopify website is super easy. Start by going to the page where you want to add the widget. I'm going to do it on the home page. From here, choose where you want to add the widget. Personally, for this website, I'm going to add it to the mid section here, which is the template area here. Go ahead and click on Add Section, and then scroll down to the bottom where you see Custom Liquid. That should insert this box here, and then on the right hand side, we just need to insert the code we just copied. You can do that by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and click and paste. And now you just need to let it load for a moment. And as you can see, we've now added reviews from multiple sources in Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.